Brace yourselves, because on May 10, 2022, the 4th Mechanical Keyboard Day will take place. And you know what that means. We're giving away lots of mechanical keyboards. So stay tuned to find out more. As you probably know, we've chosen May 10th as the Mechanical Keyboard Day, simply to celebrate our passion for mechanical keyboards in a proper way. That's why we're giving away lots of great prizes together with our renowned partners who implement our MX switches in their keyboards like Corsair, Mountain and Asus. Surprise, surprise! Expect to win mechanical keyboards for several weeks. The giveaway itself is happening via our social media channels, so follow us today if you're not already doing so. We've included the links to our social channels in the video description below. But for this year's Mechanical Keyboard Day, we have a special treat up our sleeves. We will welcome some well-known content creators who are very popular in the mechanical keyboard community. Together with them, we will also create a lot of content, so keep your eyes open here as well. So, until May 10, 2022 at the latest, it will definitely be worth for all of you. Until then, take care.